Hey everybody, it's Chris from Steeda, and today we're going to be installing these AlphaRex Pro-Series LED taillights for your 2009 to 2014 F-150. Probably the easiest installation. We're going to go over a quick product review of all the awesome benefits of these taillights, then a step-by-step installation on how to install these taillights on your F-150, and you're good to go. Check it out. Here we have the AlphaRex Pro-Series LED taillights in jet black, fitting your 2009 to 2014 F-150. These are an awesome look, a direct fit replacement upgrade over the factory taillights, totally changed the rear end look of your truck, and frankly, installation super easy. Let's go over some of the benefits. The brake light and running lights feature a unique LED design. Obviously, you ditch the halogen lights for the LEDs with these AlphaRex taillights. Definitely stand out amongst the pack, especially in comparison to not only the factory lights, but also many of the other aftermarket taillights out there fitting your F-150. This kit reuses the factory halogen bulb, but if you're looking for an LED upgrade for the reverse light as well, we do offer a kit from Dynamics, which the link is in the description. Again, installation is super easy. There's no splicing or anything like that required for installation on your F-150. The taillight lenses are anti-fog and UV resistant, so you can rest assured that these will last the test of time. These taillights are SAE and DOT compliant, so you should be good to go in terms of installing these legally on your F-150, but again, check your local jurisdictions to make sure that you wouldn't have any issues after installing these on your truck. But aside from that, I'm really excited to get these installed on our silver truck, so let's jump to the installation. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. Go ahead and open the tailgate and remove the two bolts holding the tail light into place. Once those two bolts are removed, you can slide the taillight out. Along the side of the taillight where it meets the quarter panel, there are a series of tabs holding the taillight into place. Just be careful and pull evenly across the taillight to get it out. Now you can go ahead and disconnect the factory connectors for both the upper and lower brake light and the backup light. Grab your factory taillight and your new AlphaRex taillight and remove both brake light connectors from the factory taillight. Once the connector is removed, pull the factory bulb out, set it aside, and you can connect directly into the harness on the AlphaRex taillight. Once it's connected, feed it in and secure it, and do the same for the upper brake light. These taillights do reuse the factory reverse light, so go ahead and slide that in at the bottom. Now you're ready to reconnect the factory brake lights. Slide your new taillight into place. This is a good time to test, so go ahead and reconnect the negative battery terminal and ensure all the functions of the taillight work correctly. Now you can repeat the same process on the other side and your installation is complete. Talk about an easy installation. This literally is the easiest way to completely change up the look of the rear end on your F-150. Seriously, it brings it up to 2022, no doubt. There's a 2014 F-150 and it looks like a brand new one. So check out these taillights on our website along with a ton of other F-150 parts right here at Steeda.com. Comment below, let us know what you think. If you want to see any other F-150 part videos, let us know. Hit that like and subscribe button, the notification bell, and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.